to move this thing up and out, you have to push that thing in and then activate the other side. Dumb idea. Let's fix it. So on this, you push in and you can lift up on that plastic. Trim piece. Now I'm going to wedge something in there to keep that button depressed. Something like aluminium foil. Make a little ball of it and stuff it here and on the opposite side there, and this thing will jam it into place. About that big. One on either side. And socket home with that. Now, one-handed operation. You can remove it too. And put it all the